Data structures using C. In this lecture, we will deal with the algorithm to convert infix notation into postfix notation. So learn the algorithm to convert mathematical expression. Not only that, in the next lecture, we will implement this algorithm using C. First, let us try to understand what is a infix notation. Infix notation. As you see here, there is a mathematical expression a plus b divided by c minus d. What is the postfix notation of this after conversion? So its postfix is ab plus cd minus cd minus divided by. Similarly, a plus b whole square divided by c minus d becomes a plus b plus 2 power cd minus divided by. Don't worry at the moment how it is to be done. I will show you how we use the stack and also how we use the tree type to convert this infix notation to a postfix notation. Similarly, a plus b into c divided by c minus d. It becomes a b c into plus cd minus divided by. Now instead of a b c, I have got real numbers are there. 15 minus 5 divided by 3 plus 2. What does it become? So it's 15 5 minus 3 2 plus divided by. So with that we come to the algorithm how to convert infix notation into postfix notation. Now we have, first of all, we have to enter a mathematical expression into a character array. Then we select each character by character which is present in the infix notation. So what we do is we start scanning the infix expression from left to right, starting from left to right. That is what we do. Then we check if the scanned character is an operand. Operand means either it is A, B, C, or it is number 12, 5, 3, etc. What do? You immediately transfer it to the postfix expression. But if it is not an operand, then push the steps. Not an operand if it is a left parenthesis, if it is a right parenthesis, or if it is any of the operators plus, minus, etc. Then you push it onto the stack. But there is a condition. But before pushing these operators onto the stack, the precedence of the operator at the top of the stack is compared with that of the present operator. What do I mean by here? I've got the operators plus, minus, into, divided by, and power. So as you see, power has the highest precedence. Then comes into and divided by 4, 4, plus and minus 3, 3. Right parenthesis has left parenthesis has 2 and right parenthesis 1. So this is the order of precedence of the operators. So we have to remember this. We have to write a program later. So we have to check therefore, as it says, before pushing the incoming operator onto the stack, you check the precedence of the operator at the top of the stack. If the operator at the top of the stack has higher or the same precedence as the incoming operator, then what you do? The operator at the top of the stack is popped and appended to the postfix. Already there may be an operand. Now you add the operator to that. Insert the operator. This is repeated, and more operators are popped out of the stack till the operator at the top of the stack has lower precedence than the incoming operator. Then what you do? Then you pop them, then you insert the incoming operator onto the stack. So this has to be remembered. This has to be remembered. We will do that. Then when the right parenthesis is found in the infix expression, it is ignored. At this time, the stack will invariably have at the top the matching left parenthesis. This is popped out of the stack and ignored. So this is the algorithm. Now same algorithm we are going to put it in a better way. So here we have this in a with pseudocode. So if stack is empty, then push the scanned operator onto the stack. Otherwise what you do? Otherwise you repeat until the stack is empty or the precedence of the operator becomes lower than that of the scanned operator. So this is the condition I spoke about. So what do? Repeat. So pop the operator from the stack and compare the precedence of this operator with the incoming operator. As you see, if the precedence of the operator on the top of the stack is higher than that of the scanned operator, so place that operator on the, push it onto the stack in the place the operator from the stack on the postfixed string and push the incoming operator onto the stack. You continue this till either the stack is empty or the precedence of the operator, popped operator, becomes lower than that of the scanned scanned operator. So then you go on the way. Then if the precedence of the operator on the stack is low, push the character pop from the stack back into it and push the scanned operator into the stack. Otherwise what you do, push the scanned operator into the stack. So this is what you have. This is the algorithm or the pseudocode for the conversion of an infix notation into postfix notation. So let us try now. So we have here a plus b divided by c minus d. So we will write this, all these symbols. So this is something like our character array here, starting from the left parenthesis. So we have left parenthesis first. What do? We push it onto the stack. Left parenthesis always pushed onto the stack. Then I come to A. A is an operand. What do? According to our algorithm, if A is there, you put it onto the postfix. Then we come to the operator. So this operator, naturally, you are it has higher precedence than left parenthesis. Therefore, it goes onto the stack. Then now we come to next is operand again. B. So naturally operand will go onto the postfix. Then I come to right parenthesis. If there is right parenthesis, I just pop the operator till I come to the left parenthesis. So this is what I do. Then again we come across one more operator. The stack is null. You push it onto the stack. Then you come to this left parenthesis. Naturally left parenthesis will go onto the stack. Then I come to operand C. So operand C is there. So it has to go onto the postfix expression. Minus is there. Minus will, therefore, where will it go? It will go onto the stack because minus has higher precedence than the left parenthesis. Then next we come to D, one more operand. Naturally it will go onto the postfix expression. Then I come to the right parenthesis. I pop till I come to the left parenthesis. So we pop to this thing. Then we ignore this. Then we have come to the end of the expression here, infix expression. Therefore, you pop out whatever is there onto the stack. Therefore, this becomes the postfix expression of this infix notation. One example: stack is empty. Now, as I said, we can use the tree structure to arrive at the postfix expression of this infix. This is just to help you to check whether the result you have got from the stack is correct. Now what is this? Is post, we have to do the postfix post order traversal of the tree. First you have to generate this tree. It's very simple. So A plus B. So therefore all the operators become the node of the root of the tree. As you see here, A, B, then plus. Then you have got C, D minus. So this one divided by this, therefore a plus b, c minus d divided by. Now I have to do the post order traversal of this tree. Post order means left, right, root. So left, then come to b, then come to root. Then I come here. I have done, this is the root. Therefore, I have finished the left part of the tree. I come to the right part of the tree. Again, left, right, root. Then I come to the root. So this becomes the post order traversal, and this gives us the post fix expression of this infix expression. As you see, ab plus cd minus divided by. So this is how you can also use the tree structure to arrive at the post order or the postfix expression by doing the post order traversal of the binary tree. Let us take one more example. So for example, a plus b, therefore a plus b minus c into d. So a plus b minus c into d. So this is my binary tree, post order tree. Now I have to do post order traversal. That means left, right, root. Then left is over. I go to right, root. I go to right, root. So this becomes the post fix expression. Therefore, this becomes the post fix expression. AB plus C minus D into. That is the post fix expression. So let us see now. We'll take, we'll again, as you see, the left parenthesis. Therefore, it goes on to the stack. I come to A operand. It will go on to the post fix expression. I come to the operator plus has a higher precedence than the left parenthesis, therefore it will go onto the stack. I come to operand, so naturally it will go onto the postfix expression. Again I come to, now minus is there. Now minus and plus have the same precedence. Therefore what? You are supposed to pop plus and put minus there. So that is what is being done. I come to operand again. So this operand will go on to the postfix expression. Come to the right parenthesis. Therefore pop the operator onto the postfix till you come to the left parenthesis. Now it is empty. Now again there is operator. It will go onto the stack. I come to the operand. It will go onto the postfix. Then nothing is left, therefore I go on emptying the stack, therefore this operator will come. So this becomes the postfix expression of this infix expression, A, B plus C minus D into. So this is the postfix expression. Now stack is empty. So there are some infix notations here. So you should be able to convert these into the postfix expressions. As you see, A plus B power to the power 2 divided by C minus D. So what will happen? So it is A, B plus 2 power C, D minus divided by. You try this before you get the result. So A into B, so A, B into C plus C, D minus 2 power divided by. You try this. So AB plus C minus D plus. So this is going to be the post or the postfix expression. You try this. This is simple, very simple, similar to this. So AB plus CD plus into. Earlier we had divided by, now it is into. So then this becomes A, B, C into plus. A, B, C into. Then plus, then D minus. So this one becomes A, B, C, D, E, F plus into plus into plus. So A, B, C, D. So you have to use tree structure to arrive at this, to verify whether this is correct. Of course, we are going to use stack to arrive at the postfix expression. So you can, once you have written your C program to convert infix to postfix, Test all these mathematical expressions and see whether you are going to get this result. That is very important. Similarly, the last one, it becomes AB divided by CF into AD minus E into, then plus and into here. So that becomes the postfix expression. So this is how we have to do. Let us try one more. This is A, there is a bracket here, A plus B to power 2 divided by C minus D. So A plus B power 2 divided by C minus D. So therefore the post order traversal will be left right root A B plus, then this is over, then 2 power, then you come to the right part of the tree, C D minus divided by. So this becomes the post fixed expression of this infixed notation. So again here I've got done it already. So as you see here, A left bracket A plus B etc. goes on as it is. Then you check here. So first here left parenthesis. Then A is there, it will go onto the postfix. Then you get plus goes onto the stack. Then get B naturally will go onto the postfix expression. Now right parentheses come, therefore you pop that plus into the postfix, it has become empty. Now I get the next operator, stack is empty, therefore you push that onto the stack. Then I come to operand 2, so it goes onto the postfix. Then you come to divided by, you check, therefore this one has higher precedence, therefore that will go on to the stack, and this incoming is pushed onto the stack. Similarly here now I get to left parenthesis, naturally left parenthesis always goes onto the stack. Then we come to C operand, so that will go onto the postfix. Then I come to minus will go onto the stack, and then you come to D will go onto the postfix expression. Then right parenthesis you pop till you come to the left parenthesis, the minus is popped into and inserted into postfix. This has become there is no symbol, and your now there is you pop that, the stack will be empty, and this becomes my postfix expression of this infix notation. Again, just check here, you have got one more expression, A into B plus C divided by E minus D power 2. So what is the postfix? So the expression of the post order traversal. So A, B into C plus E, D minus then 2 power divided by. So this becomes the post order postfix expression of this infix notation. Similarly here you check here, as you see here left parenthesis, again left parenthesis goes on to the stack, always left parenthesis goes on to the stack. Now you come to A goes in here, you got operator into, naturally it has got high precedence, therefore it goes onto the stack. Then you come to B, goes onto the postfix. Then you come to the right parenthesis, you pop 1 because you have to pop only 1. So it popped, you pop operator here till you come to the next parenthesis. Then you come to plus, it goes onto the stack, come across C operand, goes onto this postfix expression. Then you come to the right parenthesis, you go on emptying, you plus goes in there till you come to the left parenthesis. Then you get divided by, goes onto the stack, left parenthesis goes onto the stack, E operand goes onto the postfix, you get negative, naturally goes onto the stack. Then come D, goes on to the postfix, inserted onto the postfix. You come to the right parenthesis, you pop this negative and discard this left parenthesis. You are left with only this. You come across power. Power has greater precedence than divided by. Therefore, power will go. They will remain there, and your power will go there. And then you come to 2. 2 goes onto the postfix, and there is no more characters here. So then you pop first you pop power, and next you pop divided by. So this becomes the postfix expression of my infix notation. So thank you.